Welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today, we're doing a walk around and test drive on this 1970 big black Chevelle. This is a really sharp looking car.
I love the wheel and tire combination and just the stance on this one.
Yeah, I do too. Front disc brakes. Runs like a top, and tell us about this motor.
Yeah, so I ran the code on this one. It comes back as a 1970 Chevelle only, 454, 360 horse LS5.
Nice.
Pretty cool.
Very rare motor.
Didn't know that when I bought it. We can't prove that this is a real super sport, but at least it's got the damn near the king of the hill big block under the hood.
Yeah.
You know, the only thing you can get better is the LS6.
Power steering, power brakes, and really nice engine compartment.
You know what? It's just a beautiful driver, Dalton. You could take it to any local car show, cruise night, be proud of it. Not a trailer queen, but you know, it's got a lot of power. It's got the SS dash. I think people are really going to like this one.
Yeah, I think so too. And I like the 17-inch Cragar SS wheels.
Yeah, I'm definitely going to switch it up a little bit. I'm going to get this this wheel and tire combination and put on some more Chevelles, at least the size.
Yeah.
You know, the size is perfect. You know, it's got the iconic 4 headlights for 1970 Chevelle. One of the best muscle cars, you know, on the market today.
Yeah, 70 Chevelle, super sought after. If you're watching on YouTube, comment below what your favorite year of the Chevelle is. I
like 67s too, but 70's my favorite. Looks like there's just a little burn through right here in the paint. As far as the black stripes and the black vinyl top, just looks great. Front bumper looks excellent as well. There is some little tiny little chips and stuff like that. Like I said, it's been driven, so there's some little chips in the headlight area right there. As we look up and down the side, you know, a real nice straight car. It is white, so you know, white's always a little more forgiving than black, stuff like that. So again, driver condition. Down low, it's kind of more like, you can see it's a little more like a driver. Got some little imperfections and stuff like that down low. If you go to our website, coyoteclassics.com, make sure you check out the undercarriage photographs. Super solid floors, frame, trunk. Black vinyl top is nice. Beautiful shape from side to side here. Door jamb paint's nice and painted nicely. Corners of the doors are good. As far as our door panel is in good shape. Paint inside the jambs just as nice as the paint on the outside. It's got the correct 1970 seat cover. So many times somebody restores them and they don't put the correct seat cover on. So it does have the correct seat cover front and back. It's got seat belts for 3 in the back, 6x9s. Headliner is beautiful, dome light works. Visors are nice and tight. Dash pad is excellent, fits good here on the passenger side. It's got an old school Alpine cassette player. That was back in the 90s when I was in school. Looks like all the door rubbers, roof rail rubbers, felts and stuff was all replaced during the restoration. The main thing I'm saying as far as not show quality, Dalton, is just because it's just got a few little choppiness to it. It's just a driver.
Yep.
You know what I mean? As far as on the paint, it's great looking, but if you get up right on top of it, it's not.
It's not a $30,000 paint job.
Exactly. Back bumper is brand new. That looks awesome. I love the tailpipes on it as well. Underneath the trunk lid's got all the correct stickers and it's super solid.
It is.
Did a beautiful job.
Solid too.
Yeah, beautiful job on the trunk. It's got the spare all fastened down in there. Bottom of the driver's door fits great. So does the whole door in general, front and back. Over the wheel well looks good. Tire tread is excellent. If other people want to know the size, it's 275, 50, 17s, and I love it. Rocker panel is great. Like I said, it doesn't have rust or anything like that. Just a little bit of, you know, older bodywork that ain't perfect.
Front tires are 255s.
255s down front. It's got the dual chrome mirrors. Again, driver's side corner of the door has never been touched. That's all nice and original. Whoever started with a really solid old Chevelle.
Yeah.
Door panel is excellent. Even on the dash pad, I mentioned how nice it fits on the passenger side. It fits great on the driver's as well. Super Sport steering wheel is beautiful. Just a little tiny wear on this cord right here coming in. Other than that, the seats are gorgeous. Carpet's been replaced. Sorry. Let's go ahead before I start it and see if that heater fan works, should we?
Mm-hmm. Heater fan works.
Great.
Even the clock works in the dash. That's
Yep.
kind of crazy.
It's a nice car. Oil light works when I turn the key on, so we know that's all hooked up.
Tack works.
Wipers work. Yeah, tack works. It's idling about 700 RPM right now. Gas gauge works. Just
Very
under
nice.
half.
Radio works too. I can hear that playing in the background. Nice.
The only thing I noticed on this is I do not think the temp gauge works.
Okay.
I did drive it for a little bit and I did not see that go up. Dome light works great. And like I said, that headliner is excellent.
Yeah, very nice.
Super nice. Rear view mirror's been replaced, so that's nice and tight.
If that works. Or
Clear skies.
Yeah.
Tomorrow.
Pretty easy. As far as the odometer, it's got 317 miles on the odometer. I'm guessing that's on the new dash cluster and everything when they replace that. This car just feels good. Turning signal indicators work on the dash, both sides. Every single thing works on this except for the factory temp gauge.
Nice.
Kind of warm it up just a little bit and head to the corner with her. It's got a hell of a shift kit in it.
Yeah, it does.
So that was 4,000 RPM right there.
Brakes seem to stop good.
Yeah, they do.
It sits here and idles nice, even to set the stop sign.
Idles beautifully. Parking brake works. Parking brake seemed like it was on just a little bit, so we'll check that. One thing I noticed about it, like I said, it has a built transmission and it shifts pretty fast out of first when I took it for a spin the first time.
Yeah.
You like it?
Yep.
Nice shift, doesn't
Yeah.
it? So those exactly were 4,000 RPM. You're all right. Those exactly were 4,000 RPM shifts. That's just holding it down, you know. But look
Yeah.
at it going down the road.
Awesome.
How many 70 Chevelles that have a transmission shift kit like that? You know what I mean? You can let go of the steering wheel and just hammer on it and go.
Yeah, that's nice.
As far as the brakes, they work good, but you can tell it's a 360 horse motor. So as far as you can just tell it starves a little for vacuum,
Yeah.
just a little bit. Not bad though, but it just makes it a little harder pedal.
Yep.
There's really nothing a guy can do about that unless you want to put a stupid vacuum pump in it.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm really impressed with this car.
But it's tight, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's a nice car. Beautiful interior.
Yeah, it's quick.
There, shifted a little earlier. Yeah, 70 mile an hour. We're doing 3,400 RPM. I'm guessing it's probably 373 gears.
Yeah. And it's just tight.
Sounds good too.
Yeah,
Huh?
it does.
And here's your brakes. I just hit the steering wheel a little bit, but brakes have no pull left or right. Like I said, they're fine. You don't have to stomp on them.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Good car. Check it out on the website, coyoteclassics.com. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.